welcome to this webinar. I am very happy to conduct this webinar. Because you are writing, because partnership is the result of an agreement. Partnership is the result of an agreement, and a minor cannot enter into an agreement. A minor cannot enter into an agreement, and partnership is the result of an agreement. Since a minor cannot enter into an agreement, therefore a minor cannot be made a partner, even if all the partners agree. But since a minor cannot enter into an agreement, he cannot be made a partner. That's the reason, actually, when I was a student of class 12th, we used to learn the definition of partnership. Partnership is the relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business. You remember? Everybody remembers. So partnership is the result of an agreement, and a minor cannot enter into an agreement. Therefore, he cannot be made a partner, even if all the partners agree. A similar question may be, is it detrimental? Is it harmful? It is disadvantageous that a minor cannot be made a partner. Is it against the minor? This rule is against the minor or not? This rule is against the minor, or it is not against the minor? Answer is, this is not against the minor. This rule is not against the minor. Why? Because a minor can participate in the profits of the firm. A minor can participate in the profits of the firm. But because he is not a partner, therefore his liability will be limited. If he is made a partner, his liability will become unlimited. Remember. So it is to the benefit of a partner, because he will share the profits of the firm and his liability will be limited. So the law protects a minor. Participate in the profits, but your liability will be limited. But if you are made a partner, your liability will become unlimited. So the law has been made to protect the interest of a minor.
Goel sir, my name is CA Varun Vashne.
CA, okay, welcome.
Varun Vashne sir.
Okay, chartered accountant, welcome sir.
Thank you so much Goel sir. गोयल सर, एक छोटी सा क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए.
प्लीज सर.
सर, इतनी नॉलेज आप लाते कहाँ से हो?
Sir, you teachers make me work very hard. You teacher put various questions to me throughout the year, and therefore I have to be alert actually.
So thank you so much, Goel sir and APC team for such a wonderful session. It's a very informative session, sir.